Hello everyone, this is lesson number 61, next chapter in HSK 4. Let's see. First one for today is 激动,激动, excited. 动, it's to move something. 激, I think here is just dare, provoke. 激动, excited. Emotional, passion. So let's see. I was very excited to hear this good news. 听到这个好消息，我非常激动。听到 so when I heard 这个好消息 this is good news 消息 news information news 我非常激动 I was very excited. So I was very excited to hear this good news. 听到这个好消息，我非常激动。Next one. He was extremely excited because he won this competition. The competition. 他因为赢得了比赛而激动不已。So let's see. 他因为 because of 赢 it's to win. 赢得 it's also to win. Win and achieve, earn, gain. 赢得了 he won, you could say. Earned, gained, won. 比赛这个 competition or tournament are that's why. So with are works together with 因为 are 激动不已。激动 it's 激动不已 it's non-stop, thrilled, excited. So it's idiom, you can say. Very, very excited. Right. 不已 it's non-stop. Like 激动不已。But here is just it's mean something very, very, because 羡慕不已 very envious. Or to feel sad endlessly. 伤心不已，担心不已. So it could be very, very. 心疼不已. To have one heart turn into 心疼不已. So 他因为赢得了比赛而激动不已。Next one, 参观 to visit. We are going to visit the museum tomorrow. 我们明天要去博物馆参观。我们明天 we tomorrow 要去 wants to go 博物馆 museum 参观 to visit to visit or to see sightsee excursion admire. So I think 我们明天 we tomorrow 要去 are going to visit. You say are going to go 要去 wants to go to visit museum 要去博物馆参观。博物馆 it's museum. 参观 to visit. The school organized students to visit the Great Wall. 学校组织学生参观了长城。So 学校 the school 组织 organized organization or could be organized. 组织学生 students 参观了 to visit to see 长城 the Great Wall. So the school organized students to visit the Great Wall. 学校组织学生参观了长城。Next one is 失望 disappointed or despair. So it could be verb, could be adjective, even could be disappointment. So frustration. He felt very disappointed because he didn't pass the exam. So next, let's see. He felt very disappointed because he didn't pass the exam. 考试没通过，他感到很失望。So 考试 the exam 没通过 it's to pass something 没通过 didn't pass。他感到 he feels or he felt 很失望 very disappointed。So he felt very disappointed because he didn't pass the exam。考试没通过，他感到很失望。失望。失 it's to lose, 望 is a hope. So 失望 is to lose hope or to lose. You can say hope, right? I despaired at his performance. 我对他的表现很失望。I'm very disappointed because of his performance. Or I'm lost because I'm. So 我对他的表现 So I despaired at his performance. 我对他的表现很失望。失望。表现 performance。Next one 挂 to put up to hang something。是hang是 hang the painting on the living room wall。他把画挂在客厅的墙上。他把画 so he took a painting 把画挂 so and hang 在客厅的墙上。So 客厅 living room 墙 it's a wall. So on the wall in the living room 在客厅的墙上。She hung the painting on the living room wall, right? 她把画挂在客厅的墙上。Please put up the clothes on the hanger. 请把衣服挂在衣架上。So 请 please 把衣服 take your clothes and hang 挂在衣架上。衣架 hanger 衣架 hanger clothes rack cloth tree。你别说。对对对。Could be 挂衣架 or could be 衣帽架。衣架。So please put up the clothes on the hanger. 请把衣服挂在衣架上。Next one 推 to push. He pushed the door open with force. 他用力推开门。他用力 used power used force 用力推 push 开门 open the door. So he pushed the door open with force. 他用力推开门。Oh, I think another translation could be he pushed the door hard. 他用力推开门。So here's 用力 like with a force hard pressure. Don't push me, I will fall. 别推我，我会摔倒的。别推我，don't 推我，别推我 don't push me。我会 I will 摔 to fall 倒 also to fall 摔倒 I will fall。我会摔倒的。摔倒的。I think here is the 摔倒了。我会摔倒。Interesting. Well, it's okay. Don't push me, I will fall. 别推我，我会摔倒的。摔倒的。 Next one, 记者 reporter, journalist, correspondent, press, media. 记者 the reporter, reporter. So the reporter interviews the champion of the competition. 记者采访了比赛的冠军。记者 the reporter 采访了 interview 的采访 interview 采访了比赛的冠军 champion 冠军 the reporter interviewed the champion of the competition. 记者采访了比赛的冠军。She dreams of becoming a news reporter. 她梦想成为一名新闻记者。她梦想 she dreams 梦想成为 to become 一名 a major word for profession, so 一名新闻记者。新闻 news 记者 reporter, so news reporter. She dreams of becoming a news reporter. 她梦想成为一名新闻记者。Next one, 博士 doctorate or PhD. Doctor, PhD, doctor, professor. He just earned a doctorate in physics. 他刚拿到了物理学的博士学位。他刚拿到 he just earned 刚拿到了物理学的博士学位。So, he just earned a doctorate in physics. 他刚拿到just right. 刚刚 or just 刚，他刚拿到了。拿到 it's to earn, to take something. But usually to take, receive, obtain, but here is to earn, to gain something. 拿到了物理学 physics 物理学 or physics, right? Just the same. 物理学的博士 doctorate 学位 it's like a position or degree, right? Degree, diploma, graduate. So 博士学位 doctorate degree, PhD, right? He just earned a doctorate in physics. 他刚拿到了物理学的博士学位。Next one. This professor is a well-known doctorate holder. This professor is a well-known doctorate holder. 这位教授是一位著名的博士。这位 major word for respected person. So 这位教授 professor. 这位教授是一位 again this way 著名的博士。著名 popular 博士。You can say doctor, PhD, right? Doctorate. This professor is a well-known doctorate holder. 这位教授是一位著名的博士。著名 popular, right? Next one, 签证 visa. Because 证 is some document, some evidence, certificate, and 签 is some sign, label. 签证 I need to apply for a visa to the United States. 我需要申请去美国的签证。我需要 I need to 申请 to apply 申请 to apply 去美国的签证，去美国 to go to US 的签证 visa. So 申请 to apply. So I need to apply for a visa to United States. 我需要申请去美国的签证. So it's a visa, but it belongs to 美国. And I think it's more important. I think even visa and it's described 去美国的签证 visa for what? For go to America 去美国的 Next one, his visa has already expired. 他的签证已经过期了。他的签证 his visa 已经 already 过期过 it's to pass surpass 期some date so 过期 to pass date expired obsolete stale 他的签证已经过期了过期了 Let's repeat what we learned today. First one 启动 excited 参观 to visit something 参观失望 disappointed to despair to disappoint 挂 to put up to hang something 推 to push thrust blame not real push 记者 reporter journalist 博士 doctorate 博士 and 签证 visa 签证 Let's see one new idiom for today. Last time, petty thief or misbehavior 偷鸡摸狗 Today's new one. To return a favor 投桃报李 To give a plum in return for peach. To exchange favor of gifts. To return present for present. 投 is to give or offer. 桃 peach symbolizing a kind act. Bao to repay or return. Plum representing a reciprocal. Mutual feeling or action between parties done or given in return. Reciprocal act. So this idiom means reciprocating kindness, like giving a plum in return for a peach, emphasizing mutual goodwill. You helped me, so I will return a favor by giving you a gift. 你帮了我 so you help me. 我也要 and I also want to 投桃报李 to return a favor. 送你一份礼物 to give you one present. So you help me, so I will return a favor by giving you a gift. 你帮了我，我也要投桃报李，送你一份礼物。投桃报李 to return a favor. And one tongue twister. Last time it was 茶柴茶柴 Today's new one. The flower is splendid, smoothly painted. 花花花花 flower 花 splendid very good or satisfactory, very impressive or great. 花 smooth 画 to paint. So 花花花花 花花花花花花花花 Okay. See you next one.